ingoma za gisirikare zirarangiye ku isi, zigiye kurangira akadomo gato ariko keza, kandi mubyumve neza kandi mubyakire neza abo bireba. The military government periods are over. You just will receive this special message wherever you are. Do it whether you like it or not. That is the total reality on grounds. In Sudan, people must not kill the civilians. Here I mean the military, the soldiers must stop killing the citizens. Whether you like it or not, the full stop is there. The local leaders stop it. All the kinds of administrators stop it. You are watched everywhere. The world has become the single village, the single file village. You are inspected, you are followed up by the ones you don't know. You work with, you live with, you operate with. The ones you call your friends and the ones you call your enemies. The difference is zero between and among you. The similarity, you share the world, the sun, the moon, days and nights, all the hours, the minutes and the seconds, on minute hand and the second hand. And our hand. Therefore, whether you are in air space, whether you are in water or on water, here I mean in marine, the marine forces, the air forces above, the infantry, the transporters and the transportees, his and yon, be it here in Rwanda, East Africa and Africa. Stop every kind of business leading to the killings of human beings. They are under God's guarantee and God's umbrella of total protection. First, ask yourself the good solution and resolution, depressing the decision you have to kill your friend or to hijack your friend or to imprison them in your safe houses, the known ones and the unknown ones. You all must stop all those and most activities wherever you are, wherever they are. Release everyone. Release everyone's that you have in your secret and secrecy. Therefore, if you need peace from others, give others peace. If you prepare panic wars, you will find yourselves in panic wars. If you prepare civil wars against others, upon others, you are preparing yourself and yourselves the civil wars. If you wish someone the bad, you are not wishing yourself the good. If you are wishing your friend the positive change, you are also wishing yourself the positive change. But if you wish him the negative consequences, you are wishing yourself the similar consequences. Therefore, we need peaceful ladies and gentlemen to settle all the world grievances of long run, medium run, and short term, to make solution and resolution is to give citizens enough land, enough buildings, and provide them good security, unity, and the quickest democracy, to have the right of today and tomorrow. Never to place them in the total darkness. Therefore, the world press, the world journalists, and journalism in general, you have to teach the people of the world the good philosophies to become good philosophers of the day-to-day and become good leaders rather than becoming total dictators. We wish everybody to have peace, never in two pieces. We wish your younger ones to grow and mature and become good leaders. Of the ladies must be protected. The leaders must not become the problems to the ladies. The leaders must not turn into the dictators, the autocratic ones, but must fight the autocratic governments and their leaderships, or their totalitarian powers must be stopped by all means whatsoever. I call upon the whole world leaders to remove all the world dictators and give them the back bench, and sit them from power. In unseating them from the power, from the leaderships, here I mean human leaderships in human societies, stopping the dictators, you will have done the great job. You will have done what you are supposed to do greatly. It shall be in the normal sense, style and fashion of earning the best living, not the good living. You shall empower yourselves in each and everything as far as education, new sciences and new philosophies and total technologies advantageous to all citizens, never polluting the world, never damaging the world, never damaging the world people, world populations, but saving world populations and purifying the world environments, to make the environment clean and very pollutive. But you should not pollute the world, the earth, the sky, the soil, the water. You have polluted the water, land, each and everything, human beings, animals, poultry, hither and yon. You have damaged the soil classifications, soil types, and plus. You have damaged types of rock in general. You have damaged the soft water and the hard water in general. You have made it the dirty water. You have damaged the food of the birds, the animals, and that of human beings. You have denied everyone's rights and every living thing's rights to exist. You have damaged, in other words, politically, economically, socially, and in humanitarian sections and circles, as far as life is concerned. So life must be progressed and must prolong as God planned. People should not cover with themselves with the night and kill others. Should not cover themselves camouflaging themselves to make themselves the wise human beings, to ambush others and finish up them. You should not do that. Never again. Because that one has been your business and you have been planning to mean that business, but stop it. Peace is highly needed in Sudan. Stability and total stamina of the citizens. Love for all in the quickest democracy of all the world people. We have to increase security of everybody. We increase food security, food production to balance with the world population, and never to decrease world human populations. Food production must be more than human population. That one shall lead us to save much more for industrial processing and manufacturing preparing overproduction for the international markets. Here I mean international trade for exports rather than importing. Shall increase lifespan of citizens, better life and well-beings of the citizens in top gear and in general concept. Then dialogue and consensus shall always move smoothly, and people shall become peacemakers rather than being war makers. We shall have long-lasting peace and total security and general meaningful of life. Love one another. Love your friend, your neighbors, you love yourself. In failure to do that, you will have made the business of self-hating through the pipeline of self-loving, which is very dangerous. It is an atomic bomb ready to set yourself and your society into ablaze. Make permanent settlements of all the population is without any segregation. Then you will have time to increase food production, which shall exceed population production. Finally, we shall all together dance the better tune. If really Bashir had made this one, now would be dancing better tune, not bad tune, in sufferings of people, killing eyes, killing flies in the eyes of their younger ones and themselves, and theirs too. All these sufferings in these governments are man-made and are due to bad leaderships, the bad, poor military leaderships, military dictatorship, totalitarian powers. Therefore, God is going to change each and everything in another way around. Whether they like it or not, the military periods are over. It is now civilian period and good season. Good news for all the citizens all over the world. The total change is yours. The total change is coming. The total change is at the doorway knocking in. The total change shall be of all people, not some. And they need to protect it, preserve it, and conserve it. The total change, I mean the total positive change from the negative changes to the total positive changes. God shall help us into that positive lineage of good leadership, replacing the totalitarian leadership, totalitarian power, totalitarian governments, dictatorial governments, dictatorial powers. And God shall save us from the dictatorships and the dictators. Papa Francis of Vatican did greatly to pray for the people of Sudan in Khartoum and Southern Sudan, to have peace, to wish them peace, stability, to gain stamina, denouncing totalitarian powers and giving them piece of advice to have the government of unity of all people, wishing them peace never in two pieces, wishing them to have human thinking, human behaviors, human organization, human business, meaning positive businesses, in having peaceful government and environment, and the purified atmosphere leading to peaceful world empire of all people without any segregation. So the Vatican Papa Francis, thank you very much indeed, and all other world leaders. The Security Council, here I mean the United Nations, the USA too, the United States of Africa too is coming to organize the world peace for all the world people. Therefore, you considered much in wishing the Sudanese people the good system and good times of having peace, organizing them in good ways, wishing them to live a better life, to have constant peace, never meandering peace, and love, unity of all the people without any segregations. Sudanese must be united. That's why USA too is coming to do that in their failures. Therefore, we are here watching you with all activities going on hither and yon globally. But the focal point now is in Khartoum, Sudan. The killings going on must be stopped. If we don't do that, if we don't respect that, the forces you don't know gonna come and shall seize you. Don't kill civilians. You just hand over the government in the hands of civilians to set the civilian government to provide salaries to the army in the lineage of the quickest democracy. So the old democracy has timed out and receive it well, excellently. This is the special message to all military forces in the whole world. If you don't change, the forces of changes gonna force you to change, whether you like it or not, because there is no soldier coming from heaven dropping on earth. Everybody was produced by these civilians. You are killing. You are denying their rights. These civilians must possess their governments. They are governments of all citizens without any segregation. They are not government of military forces. The tukukuni, the groupings, the periods of military weapons through military coup d'etats, takeovers are over. Therefore, it is only the remaining part of peace, never in two pieces. Even if the military forces have everything and very energetic in air or on ground. Here I mean Air Force, infantry. In water and on water, marine are all under 0. They shall not count. Value is in negative, never to gain momentum above 0. Never at all. You will never count 1. Here I mean positive 1. You will always fluctuate into negative progressive. And you shall not win if you do it. You will have deceived yourselves. It shall cause you to be engulfed, and you will be made the victim of yourself. You will be found in the industry of pandemonium. You will be busy causing the root causes of pandemonium. First of all, of yourself, your family, your friends, of near and far away, because the follow-up shall come after. Or very soon or later, you will leave behind consequences upon your offsprings. I, the Ruda President Barafinda Sechpo Fred, I have warned you. Visit us at www.ruda.tk, call mean 24/7 plus 250 78 34 28 622. Security Council must be very vigilant. The USA too, we are there, hither and yon. Then East African community stand over there. The African Union must stop that business. Some of their dictators, they are the ones who trained such bad characters and their activities. You are all together warned. The long-lasting president, the long-life presidency and their periods are over. There shall come the leadership of only 5 years term, never to exceed, and must be the civilian one. Must be the leadership of the civilians. The military times are over, military periods are over, military leaderships are over, military dictatorships are over, military autocratic systems are over, military killings are over. Genocides all over the world are done by military forces. All of them are over. God gonna save the people of his all over the world. And these people you see are not of yours. They are people of God. All religions, all religious leaders, religious regions in all religions. Here I mean all religious leaders in religious religions in all regions of the world without any segregations. You are all people of God. Never to separate yourselves, never to divide yourselves. You must all stay united and never to separate until the God's commandment. Thank you very much indeed. This is the world professor of all the world professors, Barafinda Sechbo Fred, the senior politician with the total seniority in world politics, but basing over there in Sudan. Egypt must stand manly to defend the civilians there and other states also. And Ethiopian Prime Minister President there helped initially to land in Sudan to help the people, but all ended in negative achievement. All ended in vain, but God is coming. The Sudanese, whether they like it or not, there shall be the period of peace and the settlement of peace. Not only Sudan, even elsewhere, the earthquakes and floodings, the desertifications and prolonged droughts, and unexpected fluctuating rainfalls are going to storm you. You shall be blown off by the strongest winds you had never seen. Those ones shall be the sign showing you that God has intervened in all the cases you have created. He himself created human beings and you created problems. So he's coming to save his people and solve the problems you created.